Hello all, this is Atul and welcome to our YouTube channel. And today I will be discussing about the exam Google Cloud Professional Data Engineer exam. I gave this exam in recently in the first week of January and have prepared for around 2 to 3 months on that. And I will share my journey on how to approach towards preparing it. So basically, as I follow a cloud guru, I went through this particular course, right, which is Google Certified Professional Data Engineer course, and on a cloud guru, which focuses in detail about what you need to study in order to prepare for the exam. Uh, Other than that, you have to set your playgrounds in lab or in your own lab for Google, and you can go through it. But this is the course which I liked and I followed it. I gave the professional developer exam as well, and had did my learning through this site only. Uh, so if you go through the content, first of all, as usual for every particular exam, right? If you see, this is the exam guide for the data engineer exam. We'll just open it and we will see what needs to be covered in it. You need to just follow this. It mentions about how much is the fee, what is the duration of the exam, generally multiple choice questions which come, and around 50 to 60 questions which generally comes in every Google exam which I have given. I have given around five Google exams. Uh, so you can just go through it like what can be covered in it. This is exam guide. If you go in here, so it just mentions what will be covered in the exam, what topics will be covered in the exam, and what you need to study, and in detail, section wise. So this exam was tough, and generally I'm not a data guy, right? But in order to if you prepare well, and if I have Google Cloud experience, but not on the data side, but in general from the infrastructure, network, and security side, I have that kind of experience. So it was I was able to perform well in the exam. Considering like this is the link, it also covers some machine learning part as well. So whatever is mentioned in here, all these topics you need to uh, uh, study well. And if you go with this course, it lists all such topics in detail with the practice sets and quizzes as well, and hands-on labs as well. So if you see storage and databases, you it covers around cloud storage, cloud SQL, Spanner, which is the global service of RDBMS, and then Memcache, or the memory store, uh, which is covered in storage. Then covers the introduction on big data ecosystem, which talks about the Hadoop and Spark and Kafka concepts. And if then there is a PubSub. I gave the developer exam, so there is also uh, Cloud Run course which also covers PubSub, and but there is also a topic of PubSub, or a kind of storage triggers along with cloud functions and PubSub, along with the reference architectures that you can go through, and which widens your uh, horizon and let you know which service to use when, where, and what are the advantages, disadvantages. Then there is a data pipelines section, data flow, where to use it, whether it's streaming the data or in batch processing, how you set it up, how you set up the data flow. So there is a good lab in here that you can go through. and some practice questions. That is actually a quizzes, but this is just for your understanding. But you need, I have gone through this course multiple times, 2 3 times, and then have gone through the Google documentation. Then there is a cloud Dataproc service, which is a Hadoop and Apache Hadoop and Spark service offered by Google, and how you connect to it, how you use it, all such things are there. Then Bigtable, which is a NoSQL from service from Google, and important section is this one, schema design. You need to understand like how the performance can be enhanced in Bigtable, what are key design factors of schema in Bigtable. So I have this link which I went through. It's a quite a good link and help you understand about the rookie design patterns and what where it can be used in time data series. So it's quite a good link. I will share this link in at the end of the video when I complete it. Then for machine learning, there is which also comes. I'm not a machine learning guy, but this is a wonderful course on machine learning by uh, which I followed, and it's quite a good one. Just gives you basics of machine learning, theoretical, not related to Google, but overall, right? It can help you in understanding how what are neural networks, how did it start, what are the different kind of learnings available, like reinforcement ensemble, and then your supervision, neural learnings, and your unsupervised learnings, when they are used. And after that, I followed this. I went through uh, also about this section, which is Google pre-trained machine learning cloud APIs, which is generally used, and it is quite useful. This is for from Google Cloud, how it is being used. And if I talk about, then there are a few other topics like Data Studio, for visualization that needs to be, you go through. Then there is a Composer, which is an orchestration service. So it's quite a well-crafted course which I went through, and along with the labs, and that you can follow. And this is also a good section, the reference architectures that you can go through, which talks about how the services are linked together and in which particular patterns you can use it, like for gaming, for IoTs. So this is quite a useful course. So I just wanted to share my experience. Hope you will like this, and it will help you uh, in in preparing for the exam if you are giving it. I will paste whatever links and the course links what I have followed uh, in the documentation of this video. And best of luck for your exam if you are preparing. And this will definitely help in increasing your edge and help you prepare for the data engineer exam. But only thing is that practice, and go through this the concepts multiple times. And best of luck. Hope you like this video. Thank you.